My name is Rana Mohsin Shakur and I'm from Pakistan, and I've recently completed my professional year from ECA. Well, I chose to complete my internship because I wanted to get some experience in Australia. I needed to understand how things are working, I needed to understand the working culture of Australia. Furthermore, I wanted to enhance my skills and develop some new skills also. I've developed a lot of skills while working at my internship. Mainly would be the business analysis. I used to have a lot of meetings with my management team and I understood what the problem they're dealing with. I gathered the requirement and gave them an IT solution. So that's business analysis. Another skill that I've developed is time management. You need to understand that which task is important. You need to prioritize your work and need to understand the urgency of it. My internship experience has been tremendous. I've developed a lot of skills, technical skills and also socializing skills. I've met a lot of people and I've understood how business works in Australia. And not only that, with that weekly task with ACS that I used to do, I've learned a lot. For example, the code of conduct or the working ethics in Australia. And there's another thing called Sophia framework where I got the chance to self-assess myself. So I understood that where I stand. So overall, it has been a really good experience for me. My overall experience at ECA has been really exciting. It was a fun ride overall. I met a lot of professional colleagues from the same industry and I made a lot of friends. So I got to understand that how things are working in an industry. Furthermore, we had a lot of activities going on in there, and during those activities I learned a lot of things and it was a fun thing, yeah. My tip for the future students who are looking forward to get an internship is to plan ahead. You need to have a self-assessment plan. You need to see that what skills do you have and what kind of skills are required at the job or at the internship that they're getting into. So before selecting an internship, just make sure that the technology or the kind of skills they require are easy to attain, or at least like you have that capability to attain.